Hi, I'm John O'Brien with Radiant Advisors, and I'd like to tell you about our upcoming seminar with Technology Transfer titled Building a Business-Driven Roadmap for Modern Cloud Data Architecture. Many companies find their migration, their journey into a modern cloud data architecture very challenging, full of setbacks, and a lot of unfulfilled promises to the business. So while there are data architecture strategies, the key is having a roadmap that achieves key milestones in delivering the data and analytics capabilities that the business needs. So our seminar is really focused on helping those companies that are creating their first time data strategy and roadmap, or already have an existing one and would like to find ways to improve it by avoiding certain setbacks. So what we do in Module 1 is we're going to focus on aligning or recognizing the business strategy and then breaking that into your analytics strategy. And we do this by using an enterprise analytics capabilities framework that breaks down the key analytics capabilities that enterprises will need for operating the business, innovating in the business, and even automating the business through prediction, machine learning, and advanced AI. All three of these capabilities are needed for any given project. It's not just the new ones with AI or the self-service data and analytics. So we help you understand how to set up this conceptual architecture by using a framework that helps you recognize what the business needs. And then from there, we can set up the roadmap in such a way that it is prioritized with delivering business analytic capabilities in a cloud data architecture. We have the business priorities. We know which projects to focus on, factoring in a lot of the cloud modernization efforts are going to deal with new services, adopting cloud native architectures, adopting modern data architectures and technologies in the cloud, adopting a modern integration architecture as well. So when you factor all of these in, you want to build a roadmap that is actionable, that we can execute and then deliver something of value to the business each time. So our Module 2 really focuses on building that roadmap that is being driven by the business strategy and their need for analytic capabilities. And then in the third module, what we like to do is we'll focus on, the resource planning and setting the proper expectations. This is the people side of the roadmap. The roles that you're going to need to have, the modern data architect role, the teams you're going to need to have to support cloud operations, cloud adoption, all the things that are in your modern data architecture are going to need support. You're going to need new technologies perhaps, but a lot of it is upskilling your people, and it's also making sure you at least understand the organizational strategy that's needed. You may not be able to change or influence it, but you can recognize the roles and responsibilities that contribute to the migrating to a cloud modern data architecture. So with that, we will outline all of those so you understand this. You can avoid some of the frustration traps that companies fall into, and you can become very aligned and working closely with the business to deliver a modern cloud data architecture. So I hope to see you there. Thank you.